Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourself. Please subscribe the channel and also please do like and share and let me know in the comment section with your observation. Today I am going to discuss about doorstep banking services. Doorstep banking. Doorstep banking is one of the key action points of the roadmap for banking reforms under the ease, enhanced access and service excellence reforms brought out by the Department of Financial Services. PSB Alliance Doorstep Banking Service is a facility introduced in this regard to cater to both financial and non-financial banking needs of the customers of all banks under a single umbrella. Total 12 banks under the PSB Alliance Doorstep Banking Service initiative to implement the doorstep banking services through authorized agencies for all the customers. Banks name in next slide. Bank of India, State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Central Bank of India, Punjab and Sindh Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, UCO Bank, and Union Bank of India. Services under PSB Alliance Doorstep Banking Service. Account holders can book the desired service out of below mentioned services. Non-financial transactions. Live for first page of launch. Pickup of negotiable instruments. Check, draft, pay order, etc. Request account statement. Pick up new checkbook requisition slip. Pay order, term digit, receipt, acknowledgement, etc. Acceptance of 15G and 15H forms. TDS and Form 16 certificate issuance. Delivery of prepaid instrument and gift card. Issuing standing instruction. Financial transactions. Implementation under process. Cash deposit and cash withdrawal. Process. Customer can herself or himself register through either of three channels: mobile app, web portal, and call center. Once the agent arrives at doorstep of the customer, he will proceed for document handover to DSB agent only after the service code matches with the one available with the agent. Customer will have pay-in slip duly filled or completed and signed in all respect, containing details of instruments to be submitted. Post this, he or she will hand over the instrument to agents, which agent shall put in designated envelope and seal before a customer. Agent is expected to cross-tally instrument detail with the information available in their app and accept only if it tallies. Multiple instruments can be picked by an agent for single pickup request. However, different instrument types cannot be clubbed for a single request ID. Details. PSB Alliance comprising 12 public sector banks being anchored by UCO Bank jointly have engaged MS Atiyati Technologies Private Limited and MS Integrap Microsystem Private Limited to provide doorstep banking through universal touchpoints facility to customers of 12 PSB banks in 60 and 40 specified centers respectively as mentioned in list within the norms stipulated by PSB Alliance. List of centers is available in all the banks' websites also. Initially 100 doorstep banking centers pan-India as defined. Bank of India customer can connect register through this way also. Open the above link and click on way to connect with us and then select state and then click on visit website to place request and register by putting your registered mobile number and follow the instructions. Availability. Doorstep banking services can be accessed through mobile app, web portal and call center. Details for mobile app, web portal and call center is in next slide. Whether registration of my mobile number with my bank account is a must to avail DSBI services? Yes, you have to seed your mobile number with your bank account. Whether mobile number seeding is a must for all my bank accounts. All the accounts linked to your customer ID are automatically seeded with your mobile number. I have multiple accounts with multiple banks. Can I avail DSB facility for all such accounts? You can avail DSB facility for any of the listed 12 PSU banks against your account linked with your mobile number. What are the instruments which I can place with the DSB agent for collection? You can deposit instruments as mentioned earlier. How can I identify a genuine DSB agent at the time of placing service request for pickup of instruments? Authorized DSB agents are provided with a photo ID card and dress code. Besides, after successful service request initiation, a common service code will be generated for the customer and assigned a DSB agent. Before handing over the instruments, customer can check the service code with the DSB agent. Whether bank will be intimated once I deposit instruments to the DSB agent? Yes, once the DSB agent collects the instruments and he will click document collected icon in his device or mobile app and all the service requests placed will be automatically flow to the designated bank branch portal. Whether I can deposit multiple instruments for recollection? Yes, you can deposit multiple instruments at a time for collection using a single paying slip. However, before handing over any such instruments, please ensure that all the instruments are crossed. Dry bank branch is different from your home branch. In case of transfer checks within the home branch, a separate paying slip has to be used. Whether I have to collect paying slip from my bank, whether separate paying slip needs to be used to avail DSB services. You can keep bank paying slip for use. In case of your need, DSB agents can also provide you the same at no cost. However, paying slip provided by DSB agents can be used for collection in any account of any bank. How DSB agent will carry the instruments? Normally, you should hand over the instruments along with the paying slip in a sealed envelope for operational convenience and security. You can write number of instruments, your bank branch name, and your name on the face of the envelope. I have joint account with the bank. Can I avail DSB facility? The customer of joint account having its mobile number linked to the account can avail the DSB facility provided the account operation mandate is either a survivor or anyone or survivor. How can I know that the DSB agent has deposited the instruments with the bank? Once the agent deposits the instruments with the designated bank branch, the DSB system will validate the service code of the customer and trigger a message completed, which will be duly notified to the customer through mobile app. Whether I can save my account in the mobile app for future use? Yes, there will be an option in the mobile app to do so. This will help you save time to face the account every time you log in. How can I cancel a service request? In case of post service, order cancellation is possible before agent pick up the document from customer. In case of pre-service, order cancellation is possible before bank user completes the request. Is there any cancellation charges? Yes, cancellation charges is there. What is the process of registering any complaint or grievance? Customer can raise a dispute or complaint over an ongoing or completed service request. You have to initiate the dispute by selecting the option provided in the fit channel. You can also directly lodge complaint with the concerned bank. What is the time available for completing a service request? All requests generated up to 3 p.m. should be completed within 3 hours of request generation and requests generated after that should be completed by 1 p.m. next working day. Can I cancel any active service request? Yes, you can cancel any service request even after initiation of the request. In which circumstances I cannot cancel any service request? In case of post service, request for cancellation of service is not possible after agent has picked up the document from customer. In case of pre-service, request for cancellation of service is not possible after bank user has completed the request. How can I cancel my service request? You need to visit order details screen for live order tracking in landing page. Can I cancel my service request directly contacting the bank? No, you need to place cancel order through mobile app or DSB channel or call center only. DSB agent did not visit as per the time slot requested by me. Reasons will be ascertained and necessary action will be taken under intimation to the customer. Can I register my complaint against a completed service request? Yes, you can register by selecting the option available in the mobile app mentioning the service request ID or code, etc. How do I follow up my complaint or dispute further? Once you register dispute or complaint in the app, you will be allotted a dispute ID. With this ID, you can track the response. Who will resolve my dispute? Dispute resolution will be done by customer care executive of the service provider or bank as the case may be. Can I lodge complaint with the bank directly through email or letter? Yes, in any such communications, you have to mention the service request ID or code for taking necessary further action. What are the instruments which I can place with the DSB agent for collection? You can deposit instrument, DD or pay order, new checkbook requisition slip, 15G or 15H form, tax challan, extending instruction request, etc. How can I identify a genuine DSB agent at the time of service delivery? Credentials of agents along with photos shall appear in the mobile app or web portal of customer. Customer will get a SMS having name of agent. Customer can demand ID card showing agent name and photo. Additionally, a one-time authorization code for each service will be sent to the customer, which he need to tell agent for initiating the service. Agents shall be follow uniform dress code bearing DSB and service provider logo for their easy identification.